Test our well water with this Phosphorous HACH kit. I have my HACH kit, my timer, and my sample. So I'll open this up. We have a pocket colorimeter, and we have glass cuvettes, our phosphorus reagent, and we have our directions. Book for the colorimeter, and we have our directions on this in here. So, tells you about the sample collection and storage. And since we are not in the field doing it right there, we have it here today. So, here's our directions. Set the instrument to channel 1. Okay, let's see. Let's turn it on and see what we have. It's already on channel 1. Prepare a sample to the 10 ml on the bottles. So it has us pouring out our test sample. I do not see why we can't fill in the blank at the same time. So I'll do that now. So next we add our reagent. So I already poured the top off. Add it to our bottle. Make sure it's all in there. Cap it. Let's see how skilled I am at capping with one hand. Next, put on the stopper and shake the sample for 10 to 15 seconds. And after that, set the timer for 2 minutes for the reaction to begin. And then I'll show you what happens. So while we are waiting, I'm going to do the blank. And I already poured it off. Just take the cover off. And grab something to clean off the blank. Alright. Insert it. Put on the cover. Make sure it's down there well. Diamond is pointed towards the keypad. On to the next page. We are ready to read our sample, but we're not done with our blank. We have the cover. Press the 0 button to 0 it. And it's thinking. Okay. Remove the test sample and then clean the prepared sample. Let's take the test one out. Take the prepared sample. Let's wipe it off. Insert it. Put the cover on. And you have to do this within 10 minutes after the timer expires. And then press the arrow to read. And it's thinking. 0.09. And so there's our units, milligrams per liter of phosphorus.